I want to format it a little bit. I want to get rid of that. The early start is something for my own analysis. So I can go to format. I have the visual, format, and general. I want to enable title, and I want to say something like contract start. I want to make it in the middle. I want to have maybe this color. And I want to have the background color for the title. We are still formatting the title itself. So maybe I'm not making this color, something like this. So you go to, there are some formatting related to the visual itself and some formatting related to the data. So I want to go to the visual, disable the category label. So you remove. If I go to the visual, I can make that 25, for example. You can add some shadows. It's really handy